welcome back to my channel. So today I'm taking a wee bit of a break to make this video for you, and you're gonna find that I run out of breath a lot, and this is all just part of my surgery. As many of you know, I had 3 discs replaced in my neck, and they had to go through the front of my neck, and by doing so they had to kind of like move to the side my esophagus and my vocal cords. And so as part of the healing process, I have to wear a collar, and I take a lot of pills, so I'm asleep a lot. And I also, when I speak, I run out of breath. So as you can see, I'm running out of breath, and a lot of times my voice changes. So I'm giving you this explanation before I get started on this video, and I'm going to try to make this video as fast as I can. I may have to pause a couple of times here and there, and I'll edit those things out, but I know it sounds a lot worse than it is. It's just a matter of me healing as far as my voice and my breath is concerned. You know, the things that they had to move around and put their equipments on and everything, you know, those things take time to heal. So it may be weeks or it could be months before I get full function of my voice, my vocal cords, and my breathing won't sound as bad. So what I would like to start with is by thanking my sweet dear friend Jenny. Jenny is actually Craft Creations right here on YouTube. This is her channel name, and I'm going to link you to Jenny's channel in the description area of this video, and I will let you know why. So before my surgery, Jenny contacted me and said, "Oh my gosh, I heard about what you're going through, what you're going to be going through. Is there anything that I can do for you?" And so chatting back and forth, I told her it would be nice to get some get well cards. And so what Jenny did, out of the generosity of her heart, she's holding a giveaway in her channel for people who are sending me get well cards. And how it works is that you send them to Jenny, you contact Jenny, and I know that her giveaway is still ongoing, so I'm gonna go ahead and link you to Jenny's giveaway video in the description area down below. Okay? And I also want to let you all know that because of Jenny's generosity, I am going to add to her giveaway. I don't know exactly what she's giving away, but I've already emailed Jenny and I told her that she's going to be in charge of it all. I'm just providing the gift card. I am going to go ahead and add a $20 gift card to scrapbook.com for Jenny's giveaway. And you will have to go to her channel so that when Jenny makes a video about it, you will know what her rules are, and she's going to be in charge of that giveaway. The winner is not going to be declared on my channel. It's going to be declared in Jenny's channel, in addition to whatever she's given away. Okay, so, oh my gosh. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you the cards that were sent to me. Now, this one came separately from my good friend Raquel. Raquel is Paints and Glitter. And this mailer over here, this is from all the cards that were sent to Jenny. The Get Well cards. And so, I know my voice sounds scary. Don't be scared. It's all part of the healing process. And so, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. So over here, we have this beautiful card by Raquel. I love bumblebees. Hang on, I need to take a drink. Bumblebees represent something very special in my church, or the bees. And so, this is what the back looks like. Oh my gosh, and look how beautiful the inside is. Right along here. Now, you will have to excuse me. I am not going to read the inside of the cards because obviously I'm running out of breath a lot now. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be showing you the cards, because as I run out of breath, I I get dizzy and then I have to take some oxygen. Okay, so here we go. This one is from Raquel. And now I'm going to open the mailer from Jenny. And I just want to let y'all know that as I get back to crafting little by little, I may be able to do a little bit of crafting before my voice comes back. And so, if and when I upload crafting videos, they may be with just music. This one says it's, okay, from Miss Tina Kappa. And I'm going to go ahead and leave it up to Jenny in her video to let y'all know who everybody is on YouTube. This is from Miss Jenny. Tina Kappa. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And I will read these at the end of the video. Thank you, Tina. Oh, how pretty. I use these all the time. Thank you so much. Oh, how cute. Look at this. Feel better soon. I forget what these mice are called, but I love these. And this is from Chrysanta. Chrysanta, thank you so much. And this one is from Jenny Craft Creations. That's Jenny right here. Thank you, Jenny. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sandra. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Look at this. Oh, I love these. You know, I love making these. Beautiful. This is her YouTube. And this one is from Mary Brault. She's in Florida. Excuse me a moment, I need to take some notes.